Happy Wednesday, guys! Can you believe that we're already halfway through basically the second last week of June? Honestly, I can't believe how fast the time is going. Today I have, instead of a watermarble Wednesdays, because unfortunately I wasn't able to get it done this week, I have this fun and bright double stamping and gradient to share with you. I love the colors that I used for the gradient. So to see how this look turned out, keep on watching. To get things started, I'll be going in and using one of my favorite white polishes for my base, and this is Sinful color Snowy White, and I got it fully opaque in just 2 thin coats. And as always, before I get started with any nail art, I'll be going in and applying 1 thin coat of Girly Cosmetics Water Rush Top Coat to help speed up the drying process. Next, to help me not have to spend so much time on my cleanup, I'll be going in and applying Girly Cosmetics Border Patrol, which is basically like a latex barrier around my cuticles. The first polish that I'll be applying on my latex-free cosmetic wedge is Sinful Colors Mint Tropics, and it's a gorgeous mint green polish. And the second color that I'll be using for my gradient is called O.P.I Fearlessly Alice, and it's a gorgeous Tiffany blue cream. So now I'll be lining up my latex-free cosmetics wedge as equally as possible to my nail, and I'll be going in using a rolling motion and dabbing motion to get the best coverage and full opacity of the polish as possible. Isn't this gradient so pretty? Now that I've gone ahead and cleaned up, I'll be applying 1 thin coat of Girly Cosmetics Water Rush Top Coat. And once again, I'll be going in and applying Girly Cosmetics Border Patrol around my cuticles. So for the stamping image, I'll be using this KADS number 16 stamping plate, and as you can tell, they have 9 medium-sized images and they're all so gorgeous, and you can create so many looks with them. And for the first stamping polish that I'll be using, this is Mundo Black, which is a staple in my collection. And for the stamping, I'll be going ahead using my favorite clear jelly stamper. This is not the one that you guys are accustomed to seeing me use in my videos. This one is the Big Bling extra large stamper, and I love this because it has a clear stamper as well as a sticky stamper which you can detach from the bottom. And the second color that I'll be using for this double stamping look is Mundo Velvet, which is like a lavenderish polish. And now that everything's all cleaned up, I'll be going in with 1 final coat of Girly Cosmetics Water Rush Top Coat. And there we have my gradient and double stamping nail art look for you. I am in love with this one just because of how bright and fun and summery my gradient base turned out to be. As always, guys, all the products will be listed down below. If you have any comments and or questions, please do leave them and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. As always, please give the video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you liked or disliked it, and as always, stay glamorous.